Just hold here. Just hold here. Ditang, be careful. Hold mo na. Do you have bombers? Use on the guard. Everybody on the guard. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just hold here. Use on the guard.
Kidnapin ko to, Zen.
Ha?
Okay, hindi pala. Never mind.
Ang galing.
May
Ilan
hammer
sila?
pa. Patrade ng hammer. Patrade hammer. Northeast. Shallow on the tank. Okay, no. Kabak. Kabak. Fake lang yun.
Nakalok.
Okay, ready? Northeast. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Kabak pass. Ditang
So,
soldan.
Nagamin out.
Defense. Full defense. Defense up front. Okay, kabak pass.
Huliin mo nga yung bato sa likod, ano? Mga DPS.
Argent,
Nasa silence ako.
Bukas yung northwest side
Oh,
Walang
what?
wall yun.
Oh, no.
Oo, walang wall somewhere northwest.
Walang wall. Wait, who's that lab on the southwest?
Oh.
Saan ba rin?
Alay.
Check
May
Kumara
pin.
lang. Kakitin.
Alay. Level 23 tayo.
Come notice.
Nakatayo likod.
South, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South. Bagal ng alay natin lumakad. Come north. Use on the boys in the tank. Kidnap the tank. Kidnap this tank. No, kabak.
Ito, sa
Use
west.
on the boys in the tank.
Ito yung
Itong poy. Be careful. They're looking. Be careful. Just hold. Spread. Defense
Bomb
east.
squad mo na
They're
yun.
looking.
Northeast, shallow. 5,
South.
4, 3, 2, 1. By the gate. Shoot. Nice one. Good shit. Wala tayo napatay. Dalawa.
Meron.
Nice one. Good shit. Come back south.
Tumatakbo sila southeast.
Yeah, come back south.
Northwest bukas. We can go.
We can go northwest. Come northwest. Wala pa lang gate northwest. Pati mo agad sinabi sir.
Walang wall yun. Walang
Go
wall.
northwest.
Hindi
Yung
na
gate ang
natin
tuwa.
nilagyan.
Looking on my head sa kanila ha. Di ata alam, are they in comms or no? On my head, still
Bagal.
looking
Ayan,
southeast.
Wala pala akong hammer. Gago.
Go northwest pa. Go northeast. Walang wall dito. Come northeast. Follow my crown. Be careful. Pahil kay Axel. Be careful. Di mo namin spirit on this DPS. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the DPS. Then come back north. Spread north. Pupu, ingat ka. Dinidismount ka. Use on the boys on the guard. Ano yung guard dito sa crown? Lapit kayo sa crown. And spread. Lapit lang kayo sa crown.
Southwest.
They're looking.
Just spread. Come north. Olympus, ingat.
On my ping, they're looking still. They're trying to engage. They're engaging.
Ditang spread southwest. Come northeast a bit. Come northeast.
Patay mo.
Everybody on the guard.
They're here.
On the guard. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spread northeast. Go east. Go a bit deep east.
Hardwest sila. Hardwest.
Yeah. No. Come northwest. Ditang's parallel with them. Watch southwest. Defense southwest. Defense southwest. Defense. Walk in. Okay, never mind. Hindi tayo makakapasok pala sa kanila. Just use on the boys on the guard. Focus on the guard. Use on the boys. Everybody inside micron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside.
Looking northwest.
Yeah.
Southwest. Sorry.
Yeah. Just hold here. Use on the boys on the guard. Get the guard.
Engage
together.
shallow.
Engaging, ah.
Yeah. Defense pahil kay circus. Kill circus. Nice one. Good shit.
Wala silang engage.
Yeah. Just hold. Everybody, shallow on the tank. South. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on this tank. Then come back north. Ditang hold them. Ditang. Come back northwest. Northwest kayo. Position ka northwest. Ang hirap. Kailangan natin no. Pakibukas ng gate. If ever, kung kaya natin mabukas. Defense.
Hindi ako.
Kaya masyadong, ba't ang dami mong dalang OT, boss? Just hold it.
For another siege manner, but oh well.
South, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South shallow. Shoots. One tap. Just spread.
They're looking, ah.
Defense east.
Inang ba dun to? Tang ina.
Engage pa yan.
Wala na.
Wala.
Spread lang. Come southwest a bit. Wait. Asan yung gate na isa? wala palang gate dito. Just spread here. Spread northwest. Can you bonk the gate? 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 And defense.
Door looking.
Just spread, defense. Shallow, counter, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, counter, inside, counter, fast. Okay. Use on W's.
Fake muna ako, sir, mag-go mangingit.
Pabonk ng gate. And spread northwest. Defenses be ready. Pabonk. Keep bonking. There's nothing to call naman. Just keep bonking tank.
Thank you.
Just hold. Ilan DA na to? Laki ng DA
Over the wall sila, over the wall.
Defense west, defense southwest.
Fake muna.
Defense southwest, defense south, pa-fake. Okay, hold. Shallow, counter, inside.
Defensive na.
4, 3, 2, 1, inside. Just inside micron. This D-tank. Kill this D-tank. Come northwest na spread. Wala namatay doon kanina.
Wala.
Spread northwest. Keep bonking tank, please. Ako naman mag-fake.
May gate sila.
Okay, hold. Hold.
Mag-over the wall,
Be careful. Don't tag the wall. Mga tank, bonk slowly. Bonk slowly. Hold.
Patayin nga yung badon, putang naman, ang kulit.
Kasi the boys yung mga DPS. Be careful up front. They're looking.
So, ay pinanggas yung badon.
Bago yung bomb squad na i-istorbo ng badon ay nakakatawa.
Just interrupting you guys. You can kill them. You don't have a healer.
Everybody on the gate. No. I'll fake. Defense. Defend. Nice one. On the gate. Over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala. Come back na press.
Aga.
Dito kayo. Hug this.
Tira na yung crystal gate.
10% gate.
Sige lang. Keep bonking.
Yan!
Yan. Kupal ka.
Pahilong unahan.
Patayin niyo yung guard na nasa loob. Oh.
Everybody over the wall. Southeast. Over the wall, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over the wall. Kill that. Ang kabak. Dilukan tayo gate. Ilang percent yung gate? Defense.
Pangalawang na.
Meron.
Sisira na.
Aming DS, bomb squad southwest.
Defense southwest. Di bomb squad yan. Injured yan. Come north.
Na-bomb squad sila.
Nabomb sila? Woo!
Hindi. Pero ubos defensive. Pwede mo engage yan. Walang defensive to. Southwest.
Southwest, shallow on the tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow. Shallow on the bomb.
Walang defensive.
Bagal. Come back north. Go north. Spread. They try to walk in. Ditang sell them. Bomb squad, do your thing. Just hold.
Dito yung mage siya. Sa atin.
Asan yung maid?
Nandito sa atin.
Hit ako.
Listen the boys to ever. Di na to on the RB, on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the RB. Good shit. Di na makakakit ng
Boy
gate.
pa.
Yeah, patayan. Nice one.
Nice.
Go back north. Defenses be ready. Go back north. And spread. Be ready. Wala
Mag-open mo yung gate,
DPS cooldowns. Get ready to run
I'm
cooldown.
ready.
Wait, nandito pala yung maid.
Pagka-basket, wait
Wala
mo
na.
lang.
No. We're not going in yet. Nandyan yung maid. Just listen that first.
Palis mo muna yung mage.
Please muna. Come nurse.
Leash mo na gates, boys.
Hold here. South is on the gate. 5,
Engaging.
4,
Engaging.
3,
May blab
2, 1. Headbutt.
Bloodsun na.
Come back northwest. Come out northwest muna. Hold here. Come northwest. Come to my crown. Who's that blob? Come northwest. Come southwest. Who's that blob?
Did Alliance, Arjan? I did Alliance.
I do.
Defend.
Come southwest.
Nasa.
Ako, friendly yan sila.
Friendly daw.
Maniwala kayo dyan. Patayin. Pero, kaya pa rin.
Okay pa rin. Come northeast. Kilala ko yun. Come northeast.
Uy, backline mo, patay.
Ay.
Oh my God. I told you come northeast. East. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East shallow on the golem. Ang pangit kasi ng position dito. Gusto ko pumunta. Chris on the boys inside. Good bomb, Diesel. Chris on the boys inside. Don't let this tank sleep. Please, patayin nyo yung tank. Patayin nyo yung tank!
Patay niyo to. Ah, salamat.
Patay na.
Kikidnap pa ako isa.
Kidnapin nyo. Everybody on the
Engage
gate.
na.
Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the gate. On the gate only. Then come northwest.
Ang damage yan. Ba't ang inang damage?
Gumawa na tayo.
Yeah. Come northwest muna. Just get your mana.
Yung iba, mag-OC ah.
Looking ah.
Yeah, just spread.
10 year OC guys.
Kiss on the boys on the guard.
Magbonk yung iba.
Kiss on the boys on the guard. Come east.
Oh, nice bomb diesel. Holy fuck.
Come east. East deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East deep on my ground position.
Layo.
Bedrock.
Layo.
Hey!
Ang layo.
Yung layo mo Zen.
Mali nyo yun. Hindi kayo nakasunod. May boots kayo. Mali nyo yun.
Bedrock. GA.
Bonk yung gate. Bonk muna yung gate. Can you bonk the wall? Can you bonk the wall?
Sarap
And be careful. Can you bonk the wall and be careful?
They're looking.
Yeah.
Inching ah.
Everybody inside. On the tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this tank. Kill this motherfucking tank. Nice one. Kiss on W. As in GA. Just bonk the wall. Defense up front. Wala silang bomb squad pa lang tonight, no?
5% yan.
Wala.
Sige lang. Ilang HP yung mate? Okay, ready? Inside on this tank. Southwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this tank.
Simulan mo na engage yan yung mage.
Ay. Hold you. Defense up front. Circles. Hills on circles. Come northwest. Defense. Give me defenses. Come northwest muna. Come northwest. Ang kati ng mage. Pukin ng ilan yan. Come northwest. Out northwest muna.
Mga 5 engage sa mage, mamamatay.
Just hold. Heal, Jess. Ba't nalolo si Jess?
Yung mage, yung sakit.
Come
Kaya nga
northwest.
engage yan.
Come to me muna. Stabilize, get your mana. Southeast, on the mage. Wait, asan yung mage?
Nalish.
Okay, come southeast. Everybody on the choke. 5,
Defensive.
Ito na.
2, 1. On the choke. Drop everything on choke. Defense. Tangina mo, burikid. Defense. Full defense.
They just got bomb.
Open na yun yung ano mo, yung southwest na gate.
Open na.
Oh, southwest gate.
Position yourself southwest. Christian the bush on this perma. Come southwest. Come inside southwest. Position yourself southwest. Pahil sa front. Huwag kayo masyado sa front.
Sakit yung ano.
Come southwest. Out southwest muna. Out southwest. Saglit. Out southwest. Hold here. Come to me. Just hold here. Christian the bush on the guard. Christian the bush on this guard.
Nag-engage siya. Bounce ko sa
North is
kanila.
shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North is shallow. Kabak southwest.
15.
Kailangan natin patayin yung mix agad. Christian the bush on the guard. Yung guard lang. Be careful northwest.
They're coming from north.
Hold down.
Engage mo lang yung mage, tas
Yung
ka.
guard.
Bomb squad na nagano sila.
Unahin niyo yung guard. Just everybody. On the guard.
Kami namatay sa northeast.
Sa bounce pad natin? Or ano?
Hindi, sa kalaban.
Na diesel na yung
North is shallow.
sila.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North is shallow. This tank again. Okay,
No,
kabak.
we need to engage on the mage.
Yeah, di natin
Defensive.
makuha yung mid. Di natin ma-defect lang yan. Patay
Hindi.
ako dito. Di ko makita yung mid. Like legit.
Ito lang, nasa harap mo lang. Ito, nasa harap mo.
Ang yan. Ayan pala yung mid.
kaya natin to. Tong wall dito.
Pwede
Oh,
nyo
bonk mo na yung wall. Dito ang sa front. Look at my
Defense, engaging ah.
Defense. Keep just in. Keep bonking. Everybody inside. On the tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside this tank. Drop everything on the tank. Kabak. Kailangan natin patayin yung mid. Kabak mo na. Just get your
Saan
mana.
muna yung mga gate, ang mga wall.
Oh, ito wall. Bonkin mo na itong mga
Mga
wall.
mistakes.
Low na to.
Ilang yung guard. Patayin niyo muna yung guard.
Defensive.
Just hold here. Tiran niyo muna yung wall. Can you destroy the wall?
Pero mo na mag dyan.
Yeah, everybody inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this guard.
Huwag magpadali, masyadong risky.
Yeah, just hold here.
Time ka pa naman.
Be careful. Be careful on the choke, tank. Be careful. Heal my tank, please. And give me guard dun sa front. Naglapag ka na banner doon, third, sa enclave.
Hindi. Hindi ako pwede maglabag doon. Kailangan ko
Engaging.
Wala pa ang jackpot.
Awit na yan.
My bad.
One shot ah.
kunin yung banner, ha?
Take it po. Just keep bonking the gate and be careful of the engage. Just keep bonking the gate and be careful of the engage. Wala akong hammer, bossing.
Si V Supreme kanina nagpapatrade ah. Meron siyang mga hammer.
Hold here,
Ewan ko
hold
lang
here.
ngayon.
Everybody inside, on the tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this tank. Kill the tank. Come back west. Just hold here muna. You send the boys to the guard. Hug this wall, and be careful. The tanks, be careful. Try to stop them. Keep bonking the wall. Everybody hold. Defense.
Engaging again.
Defense. Wala akong engage.
Engage yung bomb squad.
Come back west muna. Come back west. East
Fufu,
shallow.
reset ka na Fufu.
East shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East shallow with me. Okay, come west. Just hold him,
Keep bonking.
Just bonk the walls and defenses be ready. Be careful. Ano muna? City, asan ka? Third. Di ba ba?
Okay.
Meron si... Ay, bag? Wala.
Just hold it, just come
May
west.
bag ako.
Looking, ha?
Be careful. Good engage. Everybody, east, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, east, shallow. Drop everything on the east.
GA.
Ilan na purge ako? Get your heals. Na-J kayo? Inside.
Sinsuslot mo kasi ano.
5,
10
4,
seconds.
3, 2, 1, inside.
Cool down lahat.
Cool down lahat. Nag-engage kayo. Namatay si Nezu.
OC check.
Extend your OC nga pala.
Oh, ginabadon lang yung BM.
Kaya mana.
Be careful tanks. They might fucking kill you. Kill my tank, please. Kill my tank. Just keep killing.
10 minutes.
Just hold here.
Masisira na 5%, 4, 3.
Just hold. Just keep. Bonk pa yung isang wall. Bonk the other wall. Hold here. Just hold. Okay, ready? East, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East, shallow. On the choke. Drop everything on the choke. Kabak. 10 minutes pa yung...
Ufu!
Everybody
It is.
position here.
City
Broken
na.
na, broken na.
Gagi, may
We need to engage
But-
the mate.
City, pasok mo yung party lead son. Sa Kaipo. City.
Wait, ano bang role mo?
Notice on the mate. 5. Defense. Notice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A little bit deep, boys. On my crown. Kailangan natin buksan to. Somebody open this shit. Pingi guard dun sa front.
Kahit madami
Masaya
sila
na.
naman, pipigilan ka.
Hold. Ready, DPS? DPS, be ready? Notice. Hold. Mage tayo engage, ha? Asa yung mage?
Sa north.
Hold.
Minark ko na yung mage.
Minark mo na. Notice, on the mage.
Engage.
Uy, gago.
Hold. Defense.
Ina naman.
Ina?
Monta ko.
Namatay ka na naman, Kipo.
Ito yung dismount ko, gago. CD lahat.
Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just inside. Kabak west. You cannot go in. There's a mage.
Nandiyan yung
Defense
hot
is
chicken na ah.
ready. Go northwest and spread.
Engaging sila.
Spread lang. Spread. Just spread. Defense is ready. Just spread. Defense. Okay, never mind. Hold. 10 seconds. Defense up front. Everybody, east shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East shallow with me. On the choke. Drop everything on the choke. Na-chain na naman kayo. Full HP pa rin yung page. Come southwest.
Engagean mo na lang yung mage na engage yan, tapos back ka na lang. Kaya mo na sila
Yeah.
mag-engage.
Marami na tayong pwesto.
Come northwest.
Ang lakas naman ng defensive.
Diesel, be careful there. Come northwest.
They're looking, they're
Northwest
looking.
guys, listen to calls.
Gago Sinsus, ano ako?
Naiwan Zerg mo dyan. Tayo lang.
Wait na yan. Asan ba kayo? Nasa purples kayo? Guys, I told you come northwest.
Dito ako
Everybody after the cleric. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 after this cleric. Simulan na naman tayo na ito. Come northwest, come northwest, come northwest. Come northwest. Miser, come northwest.
Taas, boys.
Dito tayo sa taas. Just spread northwest, spread northwest. We engage on the mage again. Okay, mage.
Engage na diesel.
Hold the south, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just shallow. Shallow distance. Shallow distance. Nakabakpas. Nasaan yung mid?
Nawala ba yung mark?
Hindi, nandito yung mark. Pero ang layo ng
Nandiyan
mid.
meron skull.
Kahit naman malis yan eh, hindi mababalik yung HP.
Yeah. Just spread, just spread, just spread, just spread, just spread. Just spread northwest. Defense, get ready to pop your boots when we're engaging, ha?
Nag-engage ka kay Raizo, ah.
Ba't kasi kayo nasa southwest pa rin, guys?
Hindi umikot ako.
On the mage, southeast, shallow. On the mage, ha? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the mage, on the mage, on the mage. Kabakpas, 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 kabakpas. Wala na tayong oras. Kabakpas, kabakpas. Defenses up front, defenses up front, defense up front. Come northwest, come northwest. Out, west, out, west. Stabilize. Just stabilize. Just stabilize as you made. South on the mage again. Ready? South on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South on the mage. Then come back fast. They look to engage. Pop your pot. Come back fast. Okay, ready? Mage. Pa rin nalulo yung mage. Kado matigas. Okay.
Wala kumakampas.
5 minutes.
Regulated Terry.
5 minutes.
Oh, tayo nagpalaki niyan eh.
5 minutes. Shallow. Southeast. Oh, wait. 5 seconds.
Ready.
Shallow. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the mage. Then come back fast. Ditang sol them. Defense.
Ayun
Demon armor
na,
inside.
sila.
Demon armor inside. Nice one. Good deal. Keep healing. Spread northwest. Hug this wall northwest. Okay, hold.
Puta, nagpapok ko.
Hold. East.
Kanina pa yung ba dun?
Come northwest.
They're looking on yung ano, ah. West, ah. Ingat kayo sa west.
Tingnan nyo sa west, boys! Bagal nyo! Hold, shallow, southeast again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow southeast on the mage again. On the mage. Ano ba DPS ko? Ba't parang hindi tayo nakakapatay? Spread, defense. Use on the bush side.
Sobrang nila.
Overweight yan. Ito, come north. Overweight yan.
Nice.
Wala nga
South. May mountain. South, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the mage again. Ilang gate ang pumipigil sa inyo?
Isang choke.
Bedrock.
Defense. Full defense. Ilang HP yung mage? Kasi yung mage.
Ito,
Sa gitna, mga 1/4 pa lang nababawas.
kaya.
Wala na tayong oras.
Mga apat na engage.
East, shallow. 5, 4,
Diesel.
1. Inside. Asa si Glutton Grand pa? Boy pa si Glutton Grand pa? Heal inside. Heal kipo. Keep healing. Just heal. Heal defense. Full defense. Namatay pa si Hero. Come northwest. Na-knockdown ka, bossing. Kinatukan ka na. Come northwest. Wala tayong oras. Hold here. Just get your heals. Use on W. Get your heals. Everybody on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Ito. Itong ditang to. Ito.
The GA yung party mo.
Namatay din si Sinso.
Knockdown sa gitna, boss.
Dami mo. Ewan ko ba ba't ka nagdulot.
Ito na yung mage na sa may gintana.
Wala na yun, hindi na tayo abot ata. 3 minutes.
Try lang.
Mura lang ng dala kong loot.
Engaging sila, engaging.
Defense. East shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 micron. Get your heals. Come northwest. Get your heals.
Census. Boy ka ba?
Hindi, patay. Na-knockdown.
Come northwest. Come to me, northwest. Hold muna. Get your heals. 3 minutes. Abot na tayo dito.
Hindi na.
Hindi na.
Di ba mag-declare lang naman?
Oh.
Try mo mag-bait out, Zed. Mag-bait out.
Hindi pa nga sila nawawipe eh.
Come
Kaya
northwest,
mahirap
come
yung gawin eh.
Come northwest. Slowly come northwest. Bait them out. Come northwest. South, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South shallow on micron. Bagal talaga. Come northwest. Defensive front, be ready.
Five.
Engage sila kila Dizzy.
Defense on it. Diesel, you need to be careful. Come northwest.
Ayan, no?
No more time. 2 minutes. Come northwest. Just hold. No. Just wait them. South, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South, shallow on the gate. Come northwest.
Okay.
You remain. Come out. We don't have time. Hindi tayo makaka-declare dito. Hirap declarean to. Come northwest.
We're getting out, ah.
Oh yeah, just hold here. Help my front line, please. Help my front line.
Nahuhuli ah.
Yeah. Come west slowly. Pa-fake po.
Tumantap na yung ali. Wala ka ng ali.
On my.
Sige lang. I know. Nag-AFK pa si Ryan sa DC ata to.
Kaya mo na
Busy
yan.
ako.
Sacrifice na. Out na yung sacrifice yung party.
Oh,
Pabayaan mo na.
Come to me. Follow my ground. Come to me. Come northwest.
Ayun, nag-decline.
East shallow. 5,
Lucky side.
4, 3. No.
pumaglaban.
Baka west. Kite west.
Change ka ng ano mo na pupo. Huwag na makin dyan.
Come west.
Pass mount.
Come west.
Hindi pa ako pag-change.
Hindi mo.
Come southwest.
Bakit paano mo daw?
Come southwest.
Overweight ka pa yung boots mo. Lagyan mo na sa ano. Carrier.
Southwest. Oh my
Okay,
God.
dalawa.
Come to me.
Walang engage nila.
North is shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North is shallow. On the choke. And spread. Okay, come back southwest.
They're wrapping around you, yung bomb squad
Come
na
west.
nag-wrap
Pini
around
flower
sa'yo.
yun, ah.
Because may
Come
southeast.
Come west. Just follow my calls, please. Come west. Ayoko na sumigaw. Come west. Come southwest. Just walk.
They're looking.
Just walk. Ditang try to hold my east. Come southwest. Keep cutting. Keep sa the map. East shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me purges on side. Give me purges. Come back southwest. Come right. Kite. Kite south. Come south. By the road. South by the road. Come south. Asan sila?
Mounting up.
Mounting up.
Wait lang. Ano to? Rater. Mantap. Hirap.
What the fuck is this?
Pangit ng layout ng area na to. Dapat sa southeast pala tayo nagbong.
Hindi lang, pumunta pa na.
Yeah. Mantap. We go out now.
Doesn't matter naman eh. Even if we don't get levy, it's fine.
Come notice. We go back to bottom. Follow my ground.
Stop. May bomb sa gitna.
Come west.
Shit!
Abang yung Teklos pala.
Kamis. Abang
Makakatch dito, sigurado.
Yung kadal, hindi yan na pa.
Ang internet to nawala ang puta.
Nako, Huwag ka ba na mag-online?
Is Kadal friendly or what? No, enemy.
Enemy. Wait, are you getting fucked?